Boom! And welcome. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to integrate Spring Reverb into your digital audio workstation setup in the cheapest manner possible. Inside a lot of old guitar amps there's a reverb tank. Take it out. You'll be fine. You can still use the amp afterwards, keep the reverb knob turned down. Take an inexpensive phono preamp and connect it in the following way. From your computer to one channel of the preamp. From the out of the preamp to the Spring Reverb tank. From the tank back to the preamp on the other channel and then across to your computer. Ideally, you'll have multiple outputs and inputs that you can use for this. Otherwise, you'll have to use your own ingenuity and get around the limitations that your equipment has. But anyway, that's what we all have to do. So set up an effects send from a track on your computer. Okay? So if that's going from channel 3, into the preamp into the reverb tank, then the output of the reverb tank into the other channel of the preamp, and back into an input on your computer. Once you've got a track recorded, you'll need to filter out most of the bass frequencies, unless it's a rumble and a boom like at the beginning of this video that you're going for. A bit of compression would help. And use sparingly. Adds a little goes a long way. Now, this is of course the cheapest way and the easiest way of connecting up the Spring Reverb to the setup. But for now, think of this as like level 1 of using Spring Reverb along with your computer. In later episode's going to be showing you how to connect the whole thing up to a mixer to condition the signal going in and out, compression, EQ, all of this can really change the sound. But for now, this is just a cheap, quick, easy, dirty way of getting Spring Reverb working for you. But until next time, thank you for listening. Please like and subscribe and all that business. Thanks a lot. Bye.